To fix a Snapchat issue where the camera is not accessible, the problem often stems from camera access not being granted. To resolve this, several steps can be taken. For Android devices, start by opening the Settings app. Then navigate to the Apps section. And from the drop-down menu, select Snapchat. From there, choose Permissions. And under App Permissions, tap on Camera. Finally, select the option to allow only while using the app. For iPhone devices, the process involves opening the Settings app, going to the Privacy section, selecting Camera, and then toggling on the button next to Snapchat to enable access. Additionally, changing Snapchat's settings directly can also resolve the issue. To do this, open the Snapchat app, select the profile picture in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then Manage, choose Permissions, and select Camera. Tap the Enable button next to it to allow camera access. By following these steps, the issue of Snapchat not allowing camera access should be resolved, ensuring that the app functions as intended.